Hello, welcome to our first video. This is about the foundations of the greenhouse gas effect and what affects surface temperature of a planet. So if you have a computer that's connected to the internet, and if you've ever watched the news, you've probably heard that the level of greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere is growing in volume, and that's affecting the average temperature across the surface of the planet and making it rise. The answer is yes, that is impacting the average temperature of the Earth's surface. But in order to have an educated discussion on what is actually going on when it comes to what affects the surface temperature of the Earth, you need to understand all of the things that go into determining the temperature of a planet. So without an atmosphere, what determines the temperature of a planet, the effective temperature, is the distance that it sits from its host star, the luminosity of that host star, so how bright it is and how much energy it's emitting, and then the albedo of the planet. So the albedo of a planet is the reflectivity of a planet. So if a planet is covered in ice, it is going to have a higher albedo and it's going to be reflecting more of its energy back into space. But if a planet is made of like black rock or is a darker material, it's going to be absorbing more of that energy, and that will result in a higher effective temperature. For our planet, and like many other planets in our atmosphere though, we have an atmosphere, and our atmosphere has greenhouse gases, which when this energy from a star comes in and goes onto the Earth's surface, it's reflected back. Some of it is, but the atmosphere, depending on the type of gas that it is, can reflect that energy back to the surface of the planet and basically contain it around its surface, and that can have a huge impact on the surface temperature of the planet. So those are all the things that impact temperature on our planet and other planets in our solar system, and also just any planet. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed.